see. Diba, ang discipline ko ay philosophy. So, ang mga philosophers ay introduce sa curriculum namin. Meals, panay meals.
Palay?
Panay meal philosophers. Men.
Oo nga, no?
Oo. So, ang campaign ko doon sa bilang part ng innovation sa teaching, I include women philosophers.
May women
Discover.
philosopher?
Oo, madami pala.
Ay, madami pala.
May mga
Hindi
discoveries din namin. Mahirap lang yung texts, yung mga literature na hanapin kasi kukunting yung mga those who talk about it. Pero we're discovering that there's a lot of them who also flourished during their times. Pero dahil babae sila, they were silenced. Kaya mainstreaming din ang
Pero magaling si Nietzsche yun. Yung philosophy niya,
Friedrich Nietzsche.
yung philosophy niya, it's really funny. Love goes beyond morality.
Morality. Siya yung si God is dead.
Ganda ng kumbento.
Yeah, di ba?
Beautiful. Parang ganito yung bahay namin.
Parang bahay niyo.
Ganyan din. May kapis.
Capiz. Capiz is north.
Mm.
Sa shell?